Hello, my friends. Get ready for some Italian brain rot funk. Can you guess which animals these funky sounds belong to? Let's get started. First question, guess the Italian brain rot funk.
Assassini cappuccino.
Cappuccino assassino.
Assassini cappuccino.
Which brain rot funk is this?
Bombardino Crocodilo. Bombardo.
Bombardino Crocodilo.
Bombardino Crocodilo. Bombardo.
Guess the Italian funk?
Tralalero tralala. Porco Dio e porco Allah.
Tralalero Tralala.
Tralalero tralala. Porco Dio e porco Allah.
Next question, any idea?
Ballerina cappuccina. Capu.
Ballerina cappuccina.
Ballerina cappuccina. Capu.
Choose the brain rot animal.
Assassini cappuccino.
Or
Ballerina cappuccina. Capu.
if you choose Cappuccino Assassino, you can subscribe to my channel. Or if you choose Ballerina Cappuccina, you can like the video. Name this brain rot funk. Garamararam. Which brain rot funk is this?
Bombini Gusini. Fratello Bombardino.
Bombardini Gusini.
Bombini Gusini. Fratello Bombardino.
Can you find the odd goose emoji? Next question, any idea? Tung sahur. Guess the Italian funk? Tralalero Tralala. Name this brain rot funk.
Un frigo camelo cammina con amore.
Frigo Camelo.
Un frigo camelo cammina con amore.
Can you guess this one?
Scimpanzini bananini.
Scimpanzini bananini.
Scimpanzini bananini.
Choose the brain rot animal.
Scimpanzini bananini.
Or
Bombardino Crocodilo. Bombardo.
if you choose Scimpanzini bananini, leave a comment saying you loved it. Or if you choose Bombardino Crocodilo, leave a comment saying you loved it. Next question. Any idea? Lirily Larila. Which brain rot funk is this? Patapim. Can you find the odd tree emoji? Can you guess this one? Din din dun. Guess the Italian funk?
Boneca ambalabu.
Boneca ambalabu.
Boneca ambalabu.
Thanks for watching. Pick your next funny challenge.